All right, it's Monday the 23rd. I'm standing on my front porch. And this is a quick little video on our new place. Here's a dog kennel I bought so that we could put the dogs in when we come in and out of the gate if we need to. All right, here's where we do our laundry. We got, because of the fireworks, because of the holidays, Eva put some towels over the dog carriers that we use to get them here from Cebu City to transport them. All right, so here's the back of the house. And you can see we got a lot of vegetation. I don't know, been cleaning up. Yeah, you can see they cleaned. They had a weed eater out here cleaning next to the ground. I'm not sure what kind of trees these are, other than I do recognize the banana tree. Okay, so we got bananas. All right, so here's the back of the house. All right, here's the back door. There's a little wash area. Here's where we put our trash. Fridays we take it to the street. Oh, there's a little gift from the dogs. Okay, all right. All right. So, let's see, can you see that neighborhood dog sitting out right through there, maybe in the street? Yeah, it's a stray dog that just pretty much sits right in front of that guy's house. So we got a nice little empty lot right next to us. The lot on the other side appears to be an American guy. Kind of reminds me of me. He's white hair, tattoos, has a motorcycle, has a pool. Yeah, buddy. All right, here's our front porch. Right now we still got dog food sitting there we have to go buy a container for, and we're ready for some more water be delivered. All right, so yeah, we put this little cover in front of the door so that the dogs can't tear up this door any with their nails, because I don't want to make repairs if they do damage it. All right, so here's our living room. We got a nice little couch, a couple of chairs, and we got a TV set, 43-inch Samsung, smart TV, clocks. All right, here's a good size room. It's a living room, kitchen, really good size. Got the split AC. I believe it's called split, that's what you call it. Okay, there's Eva. We got, okay, so I already started, had my coffee and juice and started working on my computer. I got a YouTube video going on my phone. A guy I follow here in the Philippines. So this is really interesting. I've never seen one of these. But you got cold, normal, and hot. You just press this over and instant hot water. Oh man, it's great for a cup of tea or coffee. And, all right, here's my favorite shelf in the house. This is my alcohol. I got some rum, Ginebra, some more rum. I bought a Bacardi from the Puerto Rico. Okay, and this stuff, it's called Vino Calafo. Okay, you're supposed to, if you're sick or something, you take a shot of that, and it'll make you healthy. We got our nativity, plays, a little bit of music. Okay, right now we're using this to store for the beer. Got a Christmas tree going. All right, we bought these stand-up ceiling fans, stand-up fans so we don't have to run the AC. Sit in front of that fan like I'm doing right now, facing me. I'm nice and cool. And yesterday we just bought this. Yeah, 2,500 pesos. So it's less than what you pay in the States. It's one of those 200 zinc, whatever it is, metal shelves, 200 pounds weight limit per shelf on the coasters. Okay, we got a nice refrigerator. And one thing I like about this refrigerator, it comes with an ice maker. Oh yeah, buddy, I'm telling you, I can make fresh ice. And it's big enough to keep, big enough to keep ice cream. What more could I want? And got a microwave. No oven though. I love cooking with gas, although I'm not doing any of the cooking, to tell you the truth. Okay, so all right, we got some fish, and what's this? More fish, more dried fish. Honeycomb, who's this for? Yee! All right, fruits and vegetables. Right here, just got that yesterday, Sunday at Valencia. Plenty of fruits and vegetables. With these, the cabinets. Okay, these two are for glasses, and then plates. This one was for food. It was getting pretty. It was, pretty solid. That's why I thought, look, we need some extra shelves to put stuff, especially when my buy-in box comes from the States. I got a rice dispenser I want to stick over here so you can just get rice. So here's the back door again, and you see our bathroom comes with a washing machine. Oh yeah, I'm telling you, look at that washing machine. It's an Electrolux 6 kilo washing machine, and that really makes a difference. We got a nice shower here. We got it's nice and tall. It's the hot water connection is underneath in here. The lady didn't like a lot of houses, Filipinos, they put the instant hot water somewhere up above the shower. She didn't like that. She's got it underneath there. And I picked up this stool in that first place we had in Dumaguete Apartments. Had a stool in there, and I thought, hey, you know what? I kind of like that because I'm getting old, and instead of I can put my foot on it and soak my leg down without standing on one foot. And so that's what I was telling you about that. Underneath here, that's the hot water heater right there. And so yeah. Okay. All right. Okay. So one nice open room, and here's the master bedroom, and you can see next door the guy's pool. You can see the pool. Plus, oh man, I really love this guy. He's got a German Shepherd puppy who's probably 6 months to a year old, and I'm like, oh my God. Okay, so you got the bed. Each bedroom comes with a little nightstand and a desk, which I'm using for recharging. It's basically for all my little computers and stuff. And we got a couple of shelves. Got the fan, okay, to run. It's got a really nice, brand new looking Carrier AC, which we don't need because we've got the ceiling fan. Now, in each bedroom, there's one. The first closet is positioned here, and it's locked. So the owner has kept, their stuff in there. And but as you can see, we got more than enough room for our stuff. 1, 2, 3, 4 big shelves to put stuff. And I got the top ones since I'm taller. Then we got the luggage storage. up there. Okay. And on this side, we got more, well, we're saving boxes, what can I say? Putting, that was the Christmas nativity scene. And then, okay, so we got more put shoes, hats, and, ladies stuff here. I got some shirts hanging up. All right, he's got a few things hanging up there. But, so that's a quick tour of the place. Second bedroom is basically the same, but Jovan's in there sleeping. Or he might be awake, I don't know, I don't want to disturb him. But it's basically a mirror image of the master. The difference is the morning sun comes from the back of the house, so he gets the wake up with the sun, and we don't. We get afternoon sun, but we got these extra coverings here because of the street lights that come on, or the owner has dusk till dawn lights on the back of the house and here in the front, but there's one light that comes on from dusk till dawn on the pole outside there that lightens up the bedroom, and Eva's like, oh, it's too bright. So that happens. Yeah, right there, you can see it right there on that pole. That comes on at dusk, so dusk till dawn. And that's about it. So this is our little, till December, or no, end of November of next year. All right, say goodbye, Eva.
Bye-bye.
Okay. All right. All right, GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording.